Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in or sign to your Capital One account in the easiest way possible. Let's get started. Open Capital One app. If you don't have it, go to App Store or Google Store, search for Capital One and download the app. In the sign in page, type your username. This is the username you created when you first registered your Capital Online account. If you forgot your username, click Forgot Username and follow the instructions to recover it. Now tap your password in the password file. Make sure caps lock is off and there is no extra space. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it safely. Capital One may ask for extra verification to protect your account. You might receive a security code by text message, email, or through the Capital One app. Enter the code you promoted to continue. Once your username, password, and security code are entered, tap or click sign in. You will now be taken to your Capital One account dashboard where you can check balance, view transactions, pay bills, transfer money, manage your account safely. Here are some useful tips. Always use the official app or website to stay secure. Never share your password with anyone. Update the app if it doesn't open. Check your internet connection if website doesn't load properly, and you can switch to mobile data in order if Wi-Fi is not working properly. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.